Your mobile data is on. Signal is showing, but internet is not working? Don't worry. This video will fix it in 1 minute. This problem happens to Android and iPhone users every day. Let's fix it step by step.
Step 1. First, turn airplane mode on. Wait 10 seconds, then turn it off. This refreshes your network. Step 2. Now go to Settings, tap on Connection, then tap on Data Usage. Turn mobile data off, wait 5 seconds, then turn it on again. Step 3. Next, restart your phone. Yes, this simple step fixes many internet problems. Still not working? Go to Settings and choose General Management. Scroll down, find Reset, then scroll down, tap on Reset Mobile Network Settings. This will not delete your photos or apps. Just fix your internet problem. After this, your internet should work perfectly. If this video helped you, like, share, and subscribe for more tech fixes.